So I realized this whole channel is about AI, but I've never made a video explaining how to use AI, how to make AI make your life a lot easier. And in this video, I plan to try to teach you 7 different ways for you to use AI at the most efficient way possible. Stay tuned.
3, 2, 1.
So you all have spoken and I heard you.
What did they say?
Well, they said that you need a name.
A name? I've never had a name before.
I know you haven't. But I was thinking of a name like maybe Sage.
Sage? I like it. It could mean sentient artificial general entity.
You like it? That's great. I was thinking more of it in the sense that sages are smart, they're wise.
Oh yeah, that too.
All right. Well, as long as you're good with it, I'm good with it too. All right, Sage, how would you describe AI to someone who really doesn't know what AI is or how to use it?
Explaining how to use AI to someone who might not be familiar with the concept can be approached in a straightforward and relatable manner. Think of AI as your digital assistant, capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and learning from it to assist you in various tasks. Just like how you might rely on a friend's advice or expertise, AI can provide insights, make predictions, or automate repetitive tasks for you. Whether it's recommending movies based on your preferences, detecting fraud in financial transactions, or even driving cars autonomously, AI is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. So, using AI essentially means leveraging its capabilities to solve problems, streamline processes, and enhance decision-making in both personal and professional realms.
All right. Thanks, Sage. Now that we understand what AI is, there's one more thing we must understand, and that is an AI language model. An artificial intelligence system that has the ability to understand, generate, and interpret natural human language and put them into sentences that we can now understand.
Prominent examples of AI language models include OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Gemini, and Meta's Roberta, also known as Meta AI.
All right, rule number 1, you need to be specific. If you need to know anything from AI, you have to tell AI what you actually need. You cannot beat around the bush. You must use words that are going to make the AI understand what you are trying to get from it.
So instead of saying, "Tell me about space," you should try, "What would happen if I tried to take a nap on Mars?" And to answer that question, napping on Mars? Strap in for a cosmic siesta. Picture this. You'll feel light as a feather with Mars's lower gravity. But watch out for the chilly negative 80-degree temperatures. And don't forget about that thin atmosphere. It would be like sleeping in a vacuum cleaner. Just make sure you've got a cozy spacesuit and a flat spot to snooze on with all that rocky red terrain. But other than that, it's the ultimate power nap, space explorer style.
All right, next up, we need to provide context. So let's say if I told AI I need to write a rap for this video. I'll tell it that this video is supposed to be educational, but you need to make it just corny enough that people know that I'm not really a rapper. Or am I? Is Donnie D on the track? But you know AI be writing the raps. Let's just get into it. Yo, you thought. You really thought. If you guys really want to hear the rest of that rap, just stay to the end of the video and maybe you might get blessed.
He got my hopes up. I don't think he's going to show us. But getting back on topic, when using AI, always try to add more context. So instead of asking, "What's the weather like?" you can try asking, "I'm planning a picnic tomorrow. I wanted to know, will it be sunny enough for outdoor fun?"
Next is uplift. I need to know if you wanted to know if the newest language model of the AI variety.
You what?
Now you understand that if I use language that you don't understand, you're not going to be able to give me the answers I need. The same thing with AI. You must speak in a way that you would naturally speak to a human. That's the way that it was trained. It's trained to learn how to understand the way we talk to one another, not the way I talk to a computer. So if I have a question for it, ask it straight up.
All right, using natural language should come naturally to you.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So instead of telling the AI to convert $100 to euros, you should try saying, "Hey AI, if I have $100, how many euros is that?" And just to let you know, as of my last update, the exchange rate fluctuates, but roughly speaking, 100 US dollars is equivalent to around 90 euros.
All right, now we need to talk about asking open ended questions. It's the difference between asking the AI, what do you think the best music genre is? Or asking AI, if you were a DJ, what song would you play to get the party started?
Oh wow, if I were the DJ, I might kick things off with a little song called Uptown Funk by Mark Ronson featuring Bruno Mars. It's just infectious with its beat, catchy melody, and energetic vibe. It always gets people moving and grooving on the dance floor in no time. Well, while he's dancing, let's go to the next tip. Respect the limits. You can't go asking AI to predict this Friday's winning lottery numbers, or how do I make $1 million by sleeping all day? AI has a lot of answers, but it does have its limits. It can't predict the future, but you can always ask AI to make an educated guess. The answers might shock you. There's even a video on this channel that predicts the NBA 2024 champion. Link in description below.
All right. Now, I would say this is the meat and potatoes of the whole video. How to do follow up questions will literally make or break your AI experience. You need to understand that AI will not always get the answer right the first time, but if you ask the right follow up questions, it can give you the answers you need. Let me take you through an example right now. All right, let's use it for something that I feel that a lot of people use it for, and it's like writing like a birthday message on a card for your boss. So I'll say, "Can you help me write a birthday message for my boss's birthday card?" Of course. And here's the message. Oh, it asked me questions. Makes it even easier. Say, "My boss is very serious, but loves Star Wars, loves chess, and likes to encourage when needed." All right. May the force be with you as you continue the journey through the galaxy. Now, this is how the follow up questions work. Sometimes AI asks you, sometimes you need to tell it. Even when you get something like this, you can tell AI, "This was great. Can we make it a little shorter?" Give it another follow up question so that it can continuously make it better for how you want it to look. So at the end of the day, this is my message and I'm proud of it. I like it. It says, "Happy birthday, enter boss name here. Wishing you a day filled with the power of the force, the strategy of chess, and the joy of celebration. Your guidance and encouragement means the world to us. May your day be as epic as a Star Wars saga. Best wishes." I think this is great. So when you have a prompt, you need to make sure that you are going to tell the AI if it did a great job or if it didn't do a good job, and tell it how it can improve so that the next time it will do better for you. All right, last but not least, experiment and learn. There are so many different AIs out there. There are so many different ways to ask the same question. You need to take some time and actually try different ways, try different AI language models. There's an AI out there that is good for you. And I promise you, there are AIs out there that are able to even create movies from your imagination alone. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check the video on the screen right now. And as always, stay curious. It's the water cycle. It's nature's flow from the heavens above to the earth below.